What up, everybody? This is a quick video. I'm telling you, you're gonna like this video. The first thing you'll need, I'll just get to a point, you'll need this SIM card. A simple SIM card. You can get this for $1 at a Best Buy, or you can go online and get a SIM card. This company also gives you a free cell phone when you sign up. Now, I already have a cell phone. I don't need more cell phones in my house, okay? So I'm just keeping my iPhone, all right? You'll get this, and you'll get a little SIM card, and you'll get a code, all right, SIM code. You activate it. It's really simple. Step by step, you're done, okay? Two, if you want to switch your number, you'll need your account and your password. That's it. Switch your phone number. Literally took me less than an hour to switch my phone to this company here. My old phone to this new company, this Simple Mobile company. It's amazing. And I got a $45 plan, unlimited minutes, unlimited text, unlimited internet, 4G. Works amazing. Company's great, man. Simply just install your SIM card right there. Get your SIM card, install your SIM card, and you're good. Like I said, you need this. You need a simple kit, $1. And you're ready to go, man. My old company was ripping me off. They're like, yeah, we got this amazing plan, $75 plus tax. It's a grand deal, man. I'm like, do you have anything that's not $75? I mean, that's a lot. You know? That's $100 a month for a cell phone? Really? That's the only deal we have. I'm like, get out of here. I ain't gonna waste my money with you guys trying to rip me off. Hey, if you like this video, thumb this video up. It's simple. Just go online right here. I'm not paid by this company. I just think it's a good deal. You can get some good deal, all right? You can save some money. These other companies try to rip you off, man. Give me a thumbs up, bro. If you're my dog, give me a thumbs up. Holla at me. Don't have to subscribe. I just do this for fun. God bless you, and thanks for watching.